The question is, how do I copy my Facebook profile URL on the mobile device? It's really pretty easy once you've done it once. If I go to the bottom right where it says menu, my little profile picture there, click on that, hit the three dots on to the right of the word advertise. At the very bottom, copy profile link. And that copied my LinkedIn profile URL. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll drop it in an email just by clicking on the box and hit paste. And that's what it looks like. Now it's a little more than you need. You can get rid of everything after, in this case, TL Burriss, everything including the question mark and beyond, because you don't need that. Now let's go do another one. Let's go do LinkedIn. How do I get my LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn account URL? Click on my picture in the upper left-hand corner. Click on right there again where it says Teddy Burriss. Bring up my LinkedIn profile. Now the easiest way to do it is, again, the three dots. And I can go share via. I can copy the URL. Now, again, I'll paste it to show you what it looks like. Over to my email message. I'm going to hit paste. Again, there's way more than I need. Everything after the question mark can go away, including the question mark. And there's my LinkedIn profile URL. Let's go do Instagram. Go to my profile. Now, where's my URL? There it is. There, share profile. If I click on share profile, QR code, I don't want that. If I hit copy link, link copied to clipboard. Now I'll go back and go to my message. I bet it's got way too much stuff. Sure enough, it's got more than I need. Everything, including the question mark, can go away. Everything after the question mark. Boom. There's that. What about Quora? So I'm in Quora, upper left-hand corner. Click on my profile picture. In my profile picture, click on my profile. Then there's the share button to the right of edit profile. And then I can copy. And then if I go paste that into my notes, let's see what it pastes. Again, the same thing. It's way more than I need. Everything, including after the question mark and including the question mark, can go away. And there is my Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Quora profile or account URLs. This is all done on the mobile apps, in this case on my iPhone. Hope that's helpful.